So let's take a quick look here at 3 different Ecoflow batteries. And from left to right, we're going to take a look at the Delta 3, as well as the Delta 2, and then the Delta 2 Max with increased capacity. So to start off, I guess we'll begin right here in the middle with the Delta 2. So you can see all the specs right here in terms of capacity. We've got expandable capacity as well, recharge times, all that kind of stuff. Then as far as the different ports, on one side here, you can see we've got a bunch of different USB ports and whatnot, USB A and C. We've got buttons here to turn it on and off. If we flip it around here to the other side, on this side, we've got all of the AC connectors. So two-prong and three-prong, which we can turn on, turn off. We've got our 12-volt stuff here if you need a cigarette lighter. And then up at the top, looks like we've also got inputs here for solar charging, kind of AC, and then let's see what else we've got in here. I guess like a breaker if you need to flip it in case it gets overloaded. Now, if we take a look next at the Delta 2 Max, this one's going to be very similar. So you can see we've got all the same like USB ports and stuff. We've got the screen right there, and this one turned it on and now the screen's on. So this is kind of cool. You can see the 99 hours of still remaining capacity, which makes sense since nothing's plugged in. 66% of the remaining capacity, and you can see like input and output wattage when it's in use. Now, coming back over here, this one's going to be even bigger and heavier. You can definitely tell that. Okay. You can see we've got more ports now. So 6 different 3-prong AC outlets. This looks like it's all the same. Oh, no, it's not. Look at that. We've got more connectors here as well. So our XT60 connectors, I presume for solar or plug into the car. Yep. And then same thing here with our 12-volt stuff right there as well. And then also over here on this side, you'll notice there's 2 connectors here for like extra batteries. So in case you want to do your expansion, they're just going to plug right here onto either side of this main battery pack. Then flipping it around, this side just has the logo here for Ecoflow. And up on top of the battery pack, they list a bunch of the different specs and whatnot as far as what this Delta 2 Max supports. Now, lastly, we can move on over here to the Delta 3. So we've got our AC adapters here on this side, so you can see 2-prong and 3-prong. We've got USB here up on top. We've got our display for, let's turn it on here like this, so we can see what it looks like. Go ahead and let it fire up. So let's see, 100% capacity, input and output when we've got things charging and working. It even tells us right there 2.7 days of remaining capacity. So obviously that'll change and drop as we start putting some load on here. If we flip it around, we've got the logo right there. Over here on this side, the connectors are definitely different. So we've got, okay, so that's going to be our input for solar or for the car. Extra battery port is going to be right there. And then we've got AC right here on this side, which we can see labeled right there to charge it. And then down here, we've got the DC, which you can, of course, turn on and off if you need it like that. I have noticed with these batteries, sometimes even if you're not using it, there's a little bit of additional battery drain. So it's good to turn it off if you're not actually using the ports. And then just continuing to spin it around. Again, no connectors on the side because they were on the other side here like that. And so that's a quick look here at these different Delta series power stations from Ecoflow.